Ito na guys, ang pinaka-fastest charging na smartphone na available this year, 2022. 210 watts fast charging meron dito sa phone na ito. And this is the Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition. I'm really excited to know kung talagang ganun kabilis itong phone na ito mag-charge or gimmick lang siya, no? Tara, subaybayan na to. Buksan muna natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel, Redmi Note 12 Explorer Edition. And this is, actually sabi nila, Discovery Edition. Pag tinignan mo sa watermarks ng mga photos, makita nyo a little bit later. And ito, Explorer ang meaning nito. And there's only one variant for this one. It's the 8 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and color is color black. So buksan muna natin. Andiyan yung Redmi na mascot, SIM injector tool, user guide, jelly case na parang medyo matigas this time around. At ito na ang phone. This is the Redmi Note 12 na Explorer Edition or Discover Edition, whatever you call it. Ganda ng likod niya, no? Very shiny ang kanyang back. And this is by far glass finish sa likod. Definitely, this is a fingerprint magnet. So, sobrang shiny niya. Actually, pwede ba siya maging mirror, sa totoo lang. Eh, makita natin may nakaprint dito sa likod, Redmi na 210 watts. Kapit ko lang yung case para makita nyo. Ganito ang itsura niya, no? Of course, syempre, hindi na ganun ka-shiny. And, well, medyo may pagka-frosted ng ganang finishing. Other things inside the box, ang kanyang C2C cable. And probably one of the first time na naglabas si Xiaomi ng C2C cable kasi most of the time, A to C. And pansin ko yung cable niya, no, ang kapal as compared sa mga 120 watts na fast charging ng cable na gamit niya. This one is a lot more thicker than dun sa mga previous na nahawakan ko. And of course, ito na ang 210 watts na fast charging brick or hypercharge na dinesign ni Xiaomi. And by far, tawag nila dito is a GAN charger. So pag-usapan muna natin design itong phone na ito. By far, ang ganda ng design niya sa likod. It's very sleek and yung kanyang glass finish is definitely very nice. But of course, ako medyo mas prefer ko yung mga matte finish para hindi masyado fingerprint magnet. But by far, this is definitely nice. And by far, guys, this is the first ever na Redmi na phone that supports 200 megapixel na camera. And ang nauna, no, sa Xiaomi is the Xiaomi 12T Pro na meron 200MP na camera. Ito ang sumunod kay Redmi. And sa ilalim, meron siyang loudspeaker, Type-C port, microphone in, and of course, SIM tray. Sundutin ko lang. And makita natin, it only supports 2 5G na nano SIM. Fingerprint scanner and power button, plus ang kanyang volume rocker dito sa side. And sa ibabaw, andyan kanyang audio jack, another loudspeaker, then noise cancelling mic and IR blaster. And dito sa kabilang side is pretty clean. And ang side frames niya is made out of plastic. Sa harap is Corning Gorilla Glass. And sa likod is Corning Gorilla Glass din. I'm not quite sure kung anong grade nga lang gamit nila. And itong phone na ito rocks the all-new MediaTek Dimensity 1080 na chipset. It's a 6nm chip. It's pretty new. Probably ito ang unang phone na naglabas with that chip by Xiaomi. And gusto lang natin quickly silipin ang benchmark score dito sa Antutu benchmark. It gathered roughly 440,000 points. And checking its breakdown, makita natin this is the breakdown ng scores. And checking ang kanyang score dito sa wildlife, maganda naman score na nakuha niya dito. And ito naman ang score ang binigay sa kanya ni Geekbench. Swiping left and right and doing all those multitasking na binigay ko sa kanya, okay naman, kayang-kaya naman niya dahil this is pretty much a new mid-range category na chipset na meron ni MediaTek. And ang screen pala nito, guys, is a 6.67-inch na OLED display. It can display up to 1 billion of colors. It also supports 120Hz of screen refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and ang maximum brightness niya is 900 nits. And pansin nyo, guys, ang kanyang bezel is not really that thick. Ang kanyang punch hole is quite small, and yung baba niya hindi rin makapal. So this one resulted to roughly 87% ng screen-to-body ratio. Checking ang kanyang security level sa wide variant, it has a level 1. So, meaning, pwede ka manood ng mga HD dito sa Netflix and other online streaming apps. So, watching videos on YouTube, I can say okay siya. Malinaw naman siya, punchy naman ang kanyang colors, and I love it. Kasi manipis naman kanyang mga bezel. So, buong ang screen, it's really immersive. And plus, ang kanyang sound is definitely nice. Sinagad ko ang kanyang sound, no? Listening to music on Spotify, YouTube Music, and, well, watching videos dito sa YouTube, and of course, playing games. I can say, okay naman, immersive naman kanyang sound. And probably kung gusto nyo yung mas solo nyo ang sounds, I would suggest this one, si Redmi Buds 4 Pro. Definitely, this will give you a nice music tripping experience. By far, nilaro ko naman itong phone na ito on several titles like Call of Duty Mobile, Tower Fantasy, and of course, ang Apex Legend. So far, okay naman mga games to. Except that si Tower Fantasy, mapapansin ko, sometimes nagfa-frame drop siya and medyo nalalag siya ng konti. But other games like Call of Duty Mobile and Apex Legends, walang problema. Smooth na smooth ang kanyang gameplay. And I can say naman ang kanyang screen is responsive naman. All I can say is that probably itong chip is not really that much optimized yet. So probably mag-antay ka ng a couple of months para medyo mas maging optimized pa siya sa mga games na ito. And probably one of your problem might be installation of Google Play Store. Madali lang naman siya. Punta lang kayo dito sa Get Apps. Pagpasok nyo dito sa Get Apps, type nyo lang Google Play. So, all you need to do is just press update. Kasi, ano to naka-embed ang Google Play Store dito, pero naka-hide lang siya, nakatago. So, all you need to do is just simply press yung update na ito. Then, makikita nyo a little later, naka-install na siya and ready to use. Ganun lang. Ganun kasimple lang. And makikita nyo si Play Store is ready to use. So of course, na-intriga naman tayo dito sa pinaka-latest na technology ni Xiaomi. And I know na si Xiaomi leads sa, siya nanguna sa mga fast charging like 120 watts siya nanguna. Then of course, siyempre sumunod na si Realme with 160, then sumunod si Infinix with 180. Siyempre, hindi magpapatalo si Xiaomi, so nilabas na nila ang kanyang ultimate weapon. 210 watts, guys. Sabi ni Xiaomi, kaya mag-charge from 0 to 100 in 9 minutes as advertised. So right now, try out muna natin habang naka-off ang phone if it's really 9 minutes or more than. So we're still at 99, probably trickling charging. So we're done. 100% in 15 minutes and 15 seconds when the phone is turned off. So guys, nakita na natin ang charging performance nito 210 watts na fast charging brick ni Xiaomi. So nagtapos siya in 15 minutes and 15 seconds. So it's a little bit far from yung original na advertisement ni Xiaomi. But napanood naman natin ang video ni Mr. Who's the Boss. Chinarge niya, naka-off ang phone, natapos siya in 9 minutes and 40 seconds, if tama naalala ko. I'm not sure kung paano na na-achieve yun, if medyo may magic siya ginawa doon, or mas maganda lang kuryente doon sa kanila sa United States, except dito sa Philippines, medyo pangit ang Meralco. But ako, pinakita ko sa inyo the whole process, charging from 0 to 100. It really took me 15 minutes and 15 seconds to complete. And probably guys, ang gusto ko pakita sa inyo this time around is yung ganda ng kanyang camera. And by far, this is the first one ni Redmi na may 200MP na camera dito sa likod. And it also comes together with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens and 2MP na macro lens. It can shoot up to 4K 30fps and sa harap niya is a punch hole na 16MP which can shoot up to 1080p and 60fps. And by far guys, nilabas ko tong phone na ito, natuwa ako dahil I took a lot of photos dito. And outdoor shots are really great. I was shocked na itong phone na ito, parang ang laki ng in-improve niya over the Redmi Note 11 na series, which for me medyo not that much improvement over the Redmi Note 10. But this one, I can really tell you na ang laki ng in-improve nitong phone na ito over sa Redmi Note 11 series. And it's really evident, makita natin itong mga pictures natin outdoor sa mga sky shots. Like, I was able to take in ultra-wide shots, then 1x and 2x. Lahat ang lilinaw. Ang gaganda. Yung blue sky is blue. And tinry naman natin kumuha ng mga outdoor shots sa mga greens. Maganda. I can really tell you na ang laki ng in-improve ng camera nito over sa Redmi Note 11, which for me medyo not that good performance. And probably pagdating sa sales, hindi rin ganun ka nag-take off yung series na yon. So, and ginamit naman natin ang kanyang 200MP na mode. And I was able to take in some shots na, well, really nice. And zoom in natin all the way. And itong picture na ito, pag tinignan mo from far apart, hindi mo mapapansin yung Xiaomi logo na nandyan. But if you zoom it all the way in using your 200MP na shot, makikita mo, si Xiaomi pala yan. Xiaomi store. And this one is taken sa may BGC sa Bonnie High Street. Some indoor shots na nakuha ko are quite impressive as well. And of course, night shots, for me, okay siya. Dahil sobrang dilim dito sa area na to, I was able to snap in these 2 shots while I was driving. And these Christmas decors na may ilaw, ang ganda ng pagka-render na. And these are just quick snaps lang. Front-facing camera is okay, but there are times na medyo nahirapan siya konti mag-adjust lang sa ilaw. Tinry ko naman gamitin ng kind of front-facing camera pang vlog. This is the result that I got. So guys, right now we're holding the Redmi Note 12 Pro Plus. And right now this phone is just simply available in China. And right now I'm recording using 1080p and 30 FPS. And what do you think of the quality of this phone? I think it's pretty not bad. And the audio quality is being recorded using the default mic. Comments? Hit the comment section below. Kanang rear camera naman, okay ang kanang video quality. It's really nice, punchy ang kanang colors, pretty sharp. But a little bit, medyo matagtag lang siya ng konti. Well, probably a gimbal or a tripod might solve that problem. Now guys, I'm really excited with this phone. I just hope na i-launch ni Xiaomi to globally para ma-enjoy ng mga global consumers na itong bagong 210 watts na kind of fast charging. Well, I know that fast charging might damage your battery in the long run. But of course, if there's that technology, why not gamitin natin, no? Let's say na pumasok ka na shower room, paglabas mo, hindi ka tapos maligo, tapos na mag-charge ang iyong phone. This is very important naman, lalo sa mga people on the go. But pag sa gabi na, you can always use yung mga chargers na a little bit lower, like 33 or 66 watts, para hindi masyado stressful sa inyong battery. Now guys, if you're interested with this phone, pwede kayo mag-inquire kay Shandy Masangkay. I'll be posting the link on the description box below, and they are selling this phone based on pre-order basis. So guys, kung natuwa kayo dito sa video nito, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click na yung bell icon para hindi nyo ma-miss mga future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so ako pala si Richman and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Ota!